So this is Ginger. Ginger is my 45-pound standard poodle girl, and we decided we were going to get her an elevated food feeder. So I decided that I would let her be in the video so she could just add a little ambiance to it, but she's going to help me show you how to put this together. So these are all the pieces that, come here Ginger, that you get in the kit. She's not very experienced at this. You're going to get 2 leg pieces, you're going to get 2 cross pieces, you're going to get the 2 bowls, you're going to get the dish holder, and then they also give you a little spill mat that you can build everything on so that it doesn't skid across the floor and it will just catch any drips or anything that gets spilled over outside of the bowls. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with one side, and you can see it has 2 vertical slots as well as 4 horizontal slots. And then of course the paw prints just for decoration. The 2 vertical slots are going to be for the cross pieces. The horizontal slots are so that you can adjust the height of the bowls for your pup. So Ginger's kind of tall. She weighs about 45 pounds. And I've already determined that the best height for her is going to be this top one. So let me just show you how to very quickly put this together. You're going to want the highest vertical slot to be toward the back, the lowest vertical slot to be toward the top. So this is meant to go in this way, and theoretically you want the name to be at the top. Next you want your bowl placement, which for her is going to be here. I'm just going to slide that in, and then I'm going to put in my lower piece. Once I've got that done, I'm just simply going to do it on the opposite side here. Everything will match up. Pretty easy to put together. Now you can see there's a notch right here in each of these pieces. That notch is meant to keep everything sturdy. So you want to push these bars down, and that makes everything locked in. And now your elevated dishes are ready for the pup. So you can see it really only took just a minute or 2 to put that together. Gonna put a little food in for Ginger. Ginger, you hungry? Come here. Come here. You can cooperate anytime, little girl. Come here. Well, not you. This is Bobo. Bobo is my other standard. He's my male. Maybe he's interested. You gonna try to eat something? No? Not hungry enough? You want what's in the cup? That's not gonna work, little girl. Come here. Come here. Come here. They're not used to elevated bowls, so this is kind of a new idea to them. This one only wants to be petted right now. But I'm gonna put her over here. Here, Ginger. Bobo, you go. Just so you can kind of see, this is the height that would be good for her. It's going to be a little bit easier on her neck and her back to be able to eat at an elevated height. As she gets older, it's going to be nice because as her joints get sore from arthritis. If that happens, she doesn't have to lay down to eat. So anyway, that is my elevated bowl set that we have bought for Ginger. I assume that she will eat something as soon as she's hungry and not camera shy anymore. But hopefully you will like it, and you will see how very easy this is to add to your pet's food area as it was for me to build.